Hello guys, and welcome back to Engineering Hack. Today with a quick tip for you that comes up often when I'm teaching the subject of thermodynamics and how to use property tables. Every once in a while, you're going to get examples in problems in which you're given both the temperature and the pressure. So you're going to have a state defined, and you're going to have both the temperature and the pressure. And when it comes to these problems, students generally get confused because they have two options, right? They can use the temperature table, this one here, or the pressure table, right? And which one should they use? So if you just want to know the answer to that real quick, you should use the temperature table. Okay, that's it. In a nutshell, that's it. So let me tell you a bit more about what I'm talking about, explain a bit more. But if you just want that quick answer, you can stop the video right now. Here's an example. If you jump here onto the right-hand corner of your screen, that was a horrible arrow. If you jump into the right-hand corner of your screen, I'm going to put an example of a problem that has both temperature and pressure on the same state. So that's one example of a problem that you would be perhaps confused. And I want to go and jump into page 904 and 906 here in our property table. So this is 904. This is the temperature table, right? So what this is giving you is for water specifically, what are different temperatures, and then what are the related saturated pressures and all the other properties for the solving of problems in thermodynamic properties, right? If you were given, let's say you're given, for instance, something is at 90 degrees Celsius and 100 kilopascals, okay? So if you have those two properties, then you could either grab the properties here at 90, which are going to be these ones here, etc., or you could go down into the pressure table, which is this one here, and you can grab properties at 100, right? And your properties are not going to be the same, mind you, okay? So there are differences between the two, and whenever you have both, it's not wrong to use a pressure table, but the temperature table is going to give you less of an error, okay? So your answers in your calculation are going to be more precise by using the temperature table than when using the pressure table. So again, if you have a situation in which you have 90 degrees Celsius and 100 kilopascals, those are your inputs. Those are for the same state, right? So state one has those two properties. You're better off going to the property tables of the temperature and grabbing those properties than those of 100 kilopascals. Of course, if you don't have this, then obviously you're going to be using the 100 kilopascals. But if you have both, you want not to use this one here, but rather to use this one here, okay? So this is meant to be a quick video. We can jump into why that is and give you the complete explanation if you want, but this is just supposed to be a quick video for those who are studying for our exam and just need to know that, all right? So hopefully this was useful. If it was, consider giving this video a like, and we'll talk soon.